don't you try this bucket? Pour that in there. Okay, now try to hold it up so you can eat it. You gonna hold it? There's nothing in that one. Do you want to hold it, Blake? Oh, yeah. Okay, you gotta hold it up high enough for him though. Good?
He dumped his head in there.
Yeah.
Need a ball, boy?
Come here, Mason. You want to brush him for me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do come.
You have to take this brush him. Okay.
Keep brushing, bud.
Keep brushing.
Brush all of them.
I don't want her.
Well, you gotta keep brushing him. Okay, come here.
Who's that one?
These are clean his feet. You want to see how to pick up his feet?
Yeah.
And say foot. Can you hold it?
Yep.
Got it?
Foot.
Foot. Say foot.
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 Foot. Ah, there we go.
Can I do that?
Yep. Okay, stop. Stop. Okay, you've got to scrape it like that. Scraping it? Good. Should we do the other side? On in the neck. Oh, come this way.
Like,
You can't reach it. We have to get this foot. Hurry up. We gotta get this foot clean. Over here.
like you can't reach it anyways, babe.
Okay, you say foot.
What?
Say foot.
Got it.
Got it? Okay, clean it out.
Is that a little bit?
No, it doesn't hurt. Stop. Okay, keep going.
That's all dirty from the ground.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get the back ones though, okay?
Okay. Say foot.
Foot. Foot. You get them all brushed out?
Okay.
Yeah?
No.
Okay, you wanna feed them? I'll quick saddle them, okay?
Hey, Blake. Hold his bucket up so he can eat. Hold it. Babe, no, hold it
I'll
up.
hold it so he can eat out of it. He can't reach it.
Hold it up to his head for him.
You don't want anymore.
Oh, I bet he does.
He's not hungry anymore.
Okay, that's fine then.
I don't care this.
I can't.
Gotta set it down so we can take, mommy's filming.
Can I ride on it now?
I'm gonna saddle him and then you can ride him, okay?
Okay. Is that a saddle?
What?
Is this a saddle?
That's a saddle, yeah.
Stay.
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 Tell him stay.
Mason has some scissors or something.
Blake, will you get the scissors from Mason, please?
Mason, no. I can't.
You can't?
Got it.
Okay, you can stop it. Just so it's not so
Stop
long.
it.
Okay.